towards Mount LeConte. Temperatures have jumped to 76 in Knoxville, 79 Gatlinburg. I think I saw them up to 81 last hour. 77 in Morristown and Greenville, and 74 in Jonesville, Virginia. Quiet for now, but we are keeping an eye on the rain that's rapidly developing now, as you can see, back into Arkansas and approaching the Mississippi River. That's our weather maker for later tonight. But if you've got evening plans, you're going to be okay, at least up till about 9:30, 10 o'clock. Shortly thereafter, though, rain chances spread quickly into the region, and you see that here by 11. It's over much of the area. Some of this rain could be heavy. A couple of these storms will need to be watched. Maybe some gusty winds. Can't rule out an isolated severe storm with these, but heavy rainfall will be the bigger impact with these. Thankfully, it's moving pretty quickly. In fact, by sunrise tomorrow morning, the majority of the rain has moved out, but you'll have to watch for some standing water in spots. Mainly dry through midday. This is lunchtime, but then shortly thereafter, from late afternoon to evening, those rain chances come back. These are not going to be severe. Nothing terribly heavy, thankfully. It's kind of a warm front that's lifting across the area, but there will be some scattered showers. So we're talking about rain falling already on that saturated ground. This is the flooding risk for overnight into tomorrow. Kind of an enhanced area, and it's because we could be seeing some 1 to 3 inch rain totals. Now, these estimates actually go from overnight all the way through Thursday night, but really the majority is going to fall in that short period I showed you from about 10 o'clock tonight through just before sunrise tomorrow, and that could cause some isolated flooding in spots, something we have to watch. Heavy rain threat, that is a high threat. Flooding and travel issues, medium, because I do think there'll be some isolated flooding, and of course that could cause some travel issues. We have the severe storm threat as medium, because 1 or 2 of these storms could produce some gusty winds, and as wet as it's been, it wouldn't take much to push over a tree. Just something to keep in mind. Let's jump ahead to Friday. I think this is our greater risk of severe storms. Basically, the entire region is under a level 2 out of 5 risk for these severe storms. And talking about the timing of this, it won't be as you head out the door to work or school at 7 a.m. It's kind of that mid-morning to mid-afternoon time frame. This system is going to rapidly move through. Timing could change slightly. If this comes in a little slower and it's later in the day, we have a better chance of these storms being even stronger because we'll have a little bit more energy for them to work with. But regardless, there'll be gusty winds out ahead of this. There'll be gusty winds along it, maybe an isolated tornado, and then it quickly moves through and we're much quieter through the afternoon. That's 4 o'clock Friday, right through 11. The wind starts to die down and it gets colder across the area. The winds will be strong even before the storms get here Friday. That could cause some trees to come down as well, especially with the heavy rainfall we're expecting tonight. So one of the multiple reasons why we'll be weather aware overnight and for Friday as well. I told you the second half of the week was going to be busy. Saturday, Sunday is quieter, thankfully, and I still think the majority of the area will get 4 dry days in a row from Saturday to Tuesday, and after tonight and Friday, we will deserve that, Bo.
Yes, we will.